When you are working with a large data set in Microsoft Excel, there's the possibility of losing your headings while you scroll up and down and maybe sideways. In this video, we are going to look at how to freeze panes so that you maintain your headings and your columns as you move along. If this is your first time, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this page for more subsequent and educative content on data analytics. Alright, so let's begin with the headings or the rows. You realize that the row 1, as I move along, as I move downwards, we lose the headings. But how about if we want to maintain the headings? Now, all you have to do is to ensure that you are on the view tab. Then you highlight beneath the row that you want to maintain. So in this instance, I want to maintain the first row, which is the heading. So you highlight on the second, you highlight the second one, or you highlight beneath the first row. Then you come to freeze panes. Click on the drop down arrow, then you see freeze panes. Click on freeze panes and realize that it is frozen. So as you move downwards, upwards, your heading is still maintained. So that is the first one. But you realize something over here. As I move sideways, you realize that then I lose sight of the first column, which is column A. But how about if we want to maintain both the first row and the first column? Now what you have to do again is that you have to ensure that you are on the view tab. So let's unfreeze this first. So now we have unfrozen it. Then click anywhere in your data sheet. Click anywhere in your data sheet. Then you come up here, you see split. Click on split. Now when you click on split, you will see that your data sheet, the Excel sheet, has been divided into 4 different parts. Now pick any of the divisions. So let's say we are picking the column. So this is the column we have picked. Let's put it at the point where we want to freeze. So now we want to freeze column A, that as we are moving along we maintain column A. So you pick it, then you put it over here in between the line between A and B. Then we pick the row, we pick the row and we move it upwards. Now we place it in between the row 1 and row 2. So this is what we want to do. Then you come to freeze panes. You click on the drop down arrow, then you click on freeze panes. So you realize that as we move up and down, our heading is maintained. We can see the headers and everything in view. In the same way, when we are moving sideways, our column A is maintained. You see? So this is how to freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.